This is Suka Enugu Expressway. As you can see, we are in a good slope. The depth of this place is about 7 feet. You can see it now. We are here since yesterday. You know, say our organ they believe person, you know they trust person. Unless you do like this, send that for her. Our own feel believe if you see him, he go no say true, but he go tell you say what you they talking no understand them. Just look at where human being carry motor the pass, so now be this so. My caterpillar supposed to pass this kind of place. But you see now human being, motor. Sir, look at how many feet here? This is about 8 feet. This place reach 8 feet or 10 feet. 10 feet. 10 feet. No, at least make it not be like say I lie. He don't almost finish the tanker. Don't finish. No, now help us see you. The sufferness way drivers the suffer. Today is 7 days. We are here. This is Enugu Suka Expressway. Huh? Our broker federal government in here. Now we they kill ourselves so. That's the Siamo. This one a trailer we carry some 9 days there so. The four then transload that 9 days they load so now. Siamo. See the depth of this place. Don't chop one trailer complete. As you can see. Now trailer there inside pit like this so. Look at the depth of this road. This is the depth of this road. My truck there inside so. A cement there for ground like this so. Cement. Nigeria, we don't die. Our leaders now God just carry when I go put them on and enjoy ourselves. One day now when I go use my hand go hang on ourselves die. We don't go do any bad thing no. After when I rule finish, chop the money, enjoy ourselves. When I go use my hand on ourselves die. When I see suffer where they suffer. When I do budget, they carry the money put for pocket. Every year when I go do budget for each road, when I carry the money put for pocket. When I go chop the money, enjoy, enter motorway cost 150 million. But when I go use my hand on myself, die. Now, senators, they said they won't buy motor for them. One motor, 150 million. That 150 million will never fill this place. Look, just look at waiting people they suffer here. More on a sea road. This is road. This is Federal Road. Enugu Suka Expressway. Our Nigerian leaders, if what you people are doing is good for God, is good for us. But if it is not good for God, let God judge you people. You people will use your hand and kill yourself. We will not fight you people, but you people will use your hand and kill yourself. Immediately now, look when I see them. Just look at people. Okay. Well, okay. Senators, well, they won't buy motor 150 million for senators. Look at people here. Are we not the same human being? Are we not the same human being? But some people are special than others. Look at suffering. Look at road. Just look at people. Some are here 5 days. Some are here 7 days. Some are here 3 days. Look at road. Our senators make her tell una go use una hand on herself. All of una will commit this crime finish. Later use una hand on herself. Any person will cry for una, that person go kill himself also. Any person will cry for any leader for this country, that person go use his hand kill himself because that person a witch. Any person wey cry for any politician wey die, that person lion suppose chop am because that person no be human being. More una see am. Who go suffer this kind suffer tomorrow? As I dey so I no dey vote. I no get voters card. I no know how they take vote. I make that choice right from when I small. Up to today, I no get voters card. I no get anything. I need to vote. I need to go where they vote. Because you vote, you no vote, wetin they wan do now they go do. Do you know that Eastern State Government, Eastern as East Day, they get their senators, get the House of Rep, get governors. But this money for this road, they enter their pocket.